So the other thing I'm making today is a blackberry crisp. So I have some blackberries left from when Shai and my mom and I went berry picking. And I wanted to use them up before they went bad, so I thought, why not make dessert? And so here I'm doing a variation on a recipe that I found. And I added lime zest and lime juice with a blackberry-lime crisp. And I'll have like an oatmeal crumb topping that's going to be really, really good and crisp up nice. And that's flour and sugar and a little bit of salt and lime zest and lime juice. And that's all that goes into the filling. The flour is there to really make it so it can thicken up enough, because when the berries cook, they'll release a lot of liquid, and we want it to be able to keep its shape at least a little bit so you can create slices and it's not just like berry soup. So yeah, I will mix this up and then let it sit for a little bit and get the flavors to, let them introduce each other to themselves, and then I'll make the crumb. So here's the crumb topping. This is just rolled oats, flour, brown sugar, white sugar, salt, and butter. And I would usually add cinnamon to this, but I think because I decided to go for a lime flavor in this, I'm not going to go for cinnamon. I think I'm just going to keep it nice and clean. It's more summery that way. Cinnamon's kind of, a fall, winter flavor. And we want to think of summer and brightness and happy days and hot weather. Yeah, I don't know why I decided to bake today. Thank God there's AC here, because I am heating up the house and it's hot in the kitchen, especially when it's over 90 degrees out. Alright, anyways, back to cooking. So I've done all the crumb and I've now put it on there. That looks like super profesh. Wow. Okay, now I'm going to bake it I can't remember how long. I have to look at the recipe. But yeah, this is just a super simple dessert. I kind of like this for berries because berries are so delicate. You can make pies and that's really, really good. But sometimes you just want to, like clean flavor, and a crumb topping kind of lets you dig into it and really good. Also, we obviously bought vanilla ice cream. I would have made some, but that would have taken longer, and I want to eat this as soon as possible. All right, so it's in the oven, and we're going to bake it for an entire hour and see how it looks. So see you, I guess, in an hour. All right, thanks for watching, if you are watching. Anyways, those are the enchiladas. Bye. So it's been about an hour and 10 minutes, and as you can see, it's bubbled up. That looks pretty good to me. And it's a nice golden color. So I would say this is done and ready to come out. Obviously, things like this, unfortunately, you usually want to let set and cool down at least to room temperature, or a little warmer if you really can't wait, before you day in, so it can all set and be good. All right, well, let me get it out and then I'll show you a final time when it's out of the oven. So here it is. As you can see, the blackberry juice all bubbled up. And that's what that flour will help thicken once it cools. But as you know, when things are really hot, they seem looser than they really are. All right, well, thank you for watching the second episode of the day of Ben's Kitchen. Tune in next time, and I have no idea what I'm going to be making, but I'm excited. All right, see you guys again. Au revoir.